the school head of Abinay Science High School, Ms. Diana V. Colonia, for the introduction or acknowledgement of the guests.
Good afternoon, everyone. This graduation for Batch 4, 2014-2015, we are happy and honored to be with us these very important figures. We would like to acknowledge our guest speaker, Attorney Wilson C. Abasal. Here with us also, the Congressman of 2nd Congressional District, the Honorable George Arnaz. The duly authorized DepEd personnel from the Division of Negros Oriental, our District Consultant, Mr. Adolf Aguilar, our very own Mayor, Honorable Ernie T. Uy. With us also, the Sangguniang Bayan, Honorable Luis Cadimas. And the District Supervisor, Dr. Marilu N. Lopez. And also our PTA President, Madam Perla Villasari. Thank you for coming, ma'am, sir. Your presence is greatly appreciated. Truly makes this occasion more meaningful and worth remembering. Once again, thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am Diana. At this juncture, may I call on stage Shulamite L. Beronio, class salutatorian, for her words of welcome.
To the honored guests, Attorney Wilson C. Apisaldo, to our District Supervisor, Dr. Marilu N. Lopez, to our District Consultant, Sir Adolf P. Aguilar, to our Mayor, Honorable Mayor Ernie Jango T. Uy, to our Honorable George P. Arnaz of 2nd Congressional District, visitors, Mabinay Science High School faculty and staff, parents, friends, my fellow graduates, good afternoon. From 48 innocent freshmen to 44 dynamic bumblebees to 38 Daltonian firefox, and today, right at this moment, these 36 Newtonian Smurfs who are wearing pink togas are now very ready to receive the diplomas, the sweetest fruit of our endeavors. Yes, each year we are decreasing in number, but the love and bond within us is constantly increasing, even stronger. High school, indeed, has been an unforgettable journey for every one of us. Sorry for interruption. The super, mega, ultra, revolutionary friendship that we had shared will surely not be forgotten. Indeed, high school has been an unforgettable journey that has prepared us for the future, whatever it may hold. Countless experiences, mixed emotions, heartbreaking failures, and sweet successes are just a few of the memorable things that we had encountered as high school students. Facing all the challenges in school is difficult, that we need guidance and support from the people around us. On behalf of the Smurfs family, I would like to with a grateful heart, I
class. Secondly, congratulations to the parents who persisted, endured, and backed up their children all these years. And lastly, to the mentors of Mabinay Science High School who brought these children to the doorstep of their success. The benefits of education are perhaps more obvious when you successfully graduate. The past few years may have been full of challenges, hard work, picking yourselves up from disappointment and perseverance. You might be the beginning of a better stride for success. Why? Because it is during these moments when you're down that you will actually know what to do just to pick up and stay with the pace of your peers. It is during these agonizing moments that you will know who your friends are, that someone who is always there and will always care. It is by actually losing and not accepting it that you know that someday you will win. While losing in certain points in your life is heartbreaking, but remember that losing your sense of excellence or worth is but a tragedy. These life lessons will benefit you for a long time.
To uphold the ideals and principles of Mabinay Science High School. And to maintain myself such that I shall be worthy to render service with courage and loyalty to my school and my fellow men. So help me God.
Thank you, Emmy Bon Cordero. At this moment, may I call on Van Ayan O. Cadalso, second honorable mention for the Alumni Pledge.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name, Van Ayan O. Cadalso, a graduate of Mabinay Science High School for the academic year 2014-2015, do pledge myself to be true and sincere to the ideals of Mabinay Science High School. I promise to the best of my ability to uphold and work for the attainment of the objectives of the association, for the greater glory of God, and my alma mater.
that Django and I will be here today because we were just in Capadona. But anyway, this is a pleasant surprise for me. That's why I told your teacher that I'm not want to speak because I am not in the proper attire. I'm not want to insult the graduates of the science class of Mabinay Science High School. But anyway, I'd like to congratulate first of all the parents. Where are the parents? Let's give a good round of applause to the parents. Of course, I'd like to congratulate you, our dear graduates, and I'd like to get inspiration from Atty. Abrasaldo, who is a graduate of Mabinay Municipal High School, here in your own hometown. And someday in the future, some of you might be like a lawyer, or engineers, or doctors, no? He comes from a public school in December, and I also come from a public school. I graduated from the Tagon Elementary School in Pamplona. But because of hard work, I became a lawyer. And of course, you know, I became governor.
Sa inyong maabot sa inyong kinabuhi. Nothing and no one can take it away from you. Di na maagaw. Lahi sa propiedad gani usahay, ilogan pa. Pero ang kaalam na to, di na mailog sa kinsa. No? Inyo, di na santo. And so the adventure begins. Congratulations and good luck in your chosen career. Congratulations and good afternoon.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Perla Villasario. And that ends our program. Guests, parents, graduates, thank you all for coming. Congratulations, graduates of Mabinay Science High School Batch 2015. Congratulations, Mashas.